Welcome back to AutoMatrix, where performance meets the future, and the future arrives faster than you think. Today, we're talking about a moment that many believed would never come. A moment that challenges tradition. A moment that redefines legacy. A moment that signals the next chapter of automotive history. This is the story of Ferrari Electric, the first fully electric Ferrari ever built. For more than 75 years, Ferrari has been built on emotion, the scream of a naturally aspirated V12, the sharp, violent crack of a flat-plane V8, the mechanical symphony that echoed through Monza, through mountain tunnels, through the hearts of millions. Ferrari wasn't just transportation. It was theater. It was sound. It was vibration. It was combustion turned into art. And now, there is silence. But make no mistake, this silence is not surrender. It's evolution. Ferrari didn't rush into electrification. While the world shifted rapidly toward EVs, Ferrari observed. They experimented carefully through hybrid masterpieces like the SF90 Strutto. They learned how to blend electric torque with combustion drama. But this time, there is no combustion engine assisting. No V8, no V12, no exhaust note. This is pure electric Ferrari. And that changes everything. The first fully electric Ferrari represents more than just a new powertrain. It represents a complete rethinking of performance philosophy. Built on a brand new architecture developed in Maranello, this isn't a shared platform borrowed from another manufacturer. This is Ferrari engineering from the ground up. Expect the design to remain unmistakably Ferrari. Low, wide, sculpted like a blade cutting through air. Aerodynamics will play a massive role, not just for efficiency, but for high-speed stability and emotional presence. Sharp LED lighting signatures, aggressive air channels, a futuristic front fascia that commands attention, even without a traditional grille. Because when you see it, you must know instantly. That's a Ferrari. But let's talk about what really matters. Performance. Electric motors change the rules. Instant torque. No turbo lag. No gear shifts. Just immediate acceleration. Rumors suggest a tri-motor or even quad-motor setup. That could mean over 1,000 horsepower. 0 to 100 km/h in under 2.5 seconds. Quarter-mile times that rival hypercars costing millions. But Ferrari understands something many brands don't. Speed alone is not enough. A Ferrari must feel alive. It must communicate through the steering wheel, through the chassis, through your spine. That's where advanced torque vectoring comes into play. Each wheel could be controlled independently, adjusting power delivery in milliseconds. Corner exits could feel almost supernatural. Grip levels beyond what traditional combustion Ferraris could achieve. Imagine entering a corner. Instead of managing throttle balance traditionally, the car precisely distributes torque to each wheel, pulling you through with surgical precision. That's not just fast, that's intelligent performance. But there's one question every Ferrari fan is asking. What about the sound? Ferrari's identity is built on emotion, and emotion often begins with noise. Engineers are rumored to be developing a completely new acoustic experience. Not artificial engine noise copied from a V8, but a unique electric performance soundtrack created through the electric drivetrain itself. A futuristic signature sound. Not fake, not nostalgic, but new. Because Ferrari doesn't copy the past, it reinvents the future. Inside the cabin, expect a blend of Italian craftsmanship and advanced digital innovation. A fully digital cockpit. with curved OLED displays, carbon fiber and Alcantara, hand-stitched leather that reminds you this is still a luxury machine, ambient lighting that changes with drive modes, performance data displayed in real time, augmented reality heads-up displays projecting braking points and racing lines. It won't just feel modern, it will feel like stepping into tomorrow. Sustainability will also play a key role. Ferrari has committed to reducing emissions significantly over the coming decade. The electric Ferrari isn't just about staying relevant, it's about staying responsible. Lightweight battery technology will be crucial. Ferrari engineers obsess over weight distribution. Expect the battery pack to be integrated low within the chassis, creating a near-perfect center of gravity. That means sharper handling, more stability, more confidence at extreme speeds. Range is expected to fall somewhere between 450 and 600 kilometers, depending on configuration. And charging? Ultra-fast DC charging capability could allow 10 to 80% in under 20 minutes. But let's be honest, Ferrari owners don't buy cars for efficiency. They buy them for feeling. So the real challenge isn't numbers, it's emotion. Can an electric Ferrari deliver goosebumps? History suggests yes. When Ferrari introduced turbocharging, purists complained. When Ferrari introduced hybrids, critics doubted. Yet the SF90 became one of the most mind-bending performance machines ever built. Ferrari understands backlash, and Ferrari understands timing. The world is changing. Emissions regulations are tightening. Cities are limiting combustion engines. The future is electric, whether enthusiasts like it or not. Ferrari had two choices: resist change and risk irrelevance, or redefine performance for a new era. They chose reinvention. There's also a deeper racing influence here. Ferrari's Formula One experience with hybrid energy recovery systems has shaped this electric future. Lessons learned from harvesting energy under braking at 300 km/h now influence road car battery management and thermal efficiency. This isn't guesswork. This is racing intelligence translated to the street. Of course, competition exists. Porsche has the Taycan. Tesla pushes straight-line dominance. Rimac has redefined electric hypercars. Lamborghini is preparing electrified successors. But Ferrari doesn't chase trends. Ferrari sets standards. Production numbers are expected to remain limited. Ferrari has always prioritized exclusivity over volume. Early allocations will likely go to loyal clients and collectors. Price? Expected to exceed $500,000, possibly far more depending on customization. And that brings us to personalization. Ferrari's tailor-made program will likely offer bespoke interior materials, unique paint finishes, custom stitching patterns, ensuring no two electric Ferraris are exactly the same. Because exclusivity is part of the Ferrari DNA. But here's something important. The electric Ferrari does not mean the death of the V12. Ferrari has made it clear that combustion engines will continue, especially for iconic models. Hybrid V8s and V12s will coexist alongside fully electric vehicles. This isn't replacement, it's expansion. The electric Ferrari simply opens a new chapter. Imagine arriving at a racetrack. No thunderous engine roar, just a subtle futuristic. The lights go green. Instant torque launches you forward. No gear changes, no delay, just relentless acceleration. Each corner feels precise, calculated, almost telepathic. And when you step out, the badge still commands respect. The design still stops traffic. The legend still lives. Because Ferrari was never just about noise. It was about passion. And passion evolves. The first electric Ferrari will be controversial. It will divide opinions. It will spark debates across car communities worldwide. But it will also push boundaries. And pushing boundaries is what Ferrari has always done. From Formula One dominance to hypercar innovation, Ferrari thrives at the edge of possibility. Now that edge is electric. So here's the question. Is the world ready for a silent Ferrari? Or will the absence of combustion forever change the soul of the prancing horse? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Would you embrace an electrics Ferrari? Or does Ferrari without engine noise feel incomplete? This isn't just a car launch. This is a shift in philosophy, a transformation of legacy, a bold step into the unknown. And here at AutoMatrix, we'll be here to witness every second of it. If you're passionate about performance, obsessed with innovation, and excited about the future of speed, make sure you subscribe to AutoMatrix, because we don't just review cars, we decode the future of mobility. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay driven, stay curious, and whether it runs on fuel or electricity, never stop chasing speed.